Hello. Alright, I'm gonna be reviewing Chqser's free mod menu. Alright, so to start off, settings. You can switch hands, which I don't like. Okay, so you just click it. Never mind. You have VR HUDs. You have in-game HUD, which shows your stuff up there. Player list HUD. I don't know where that shows up. Then VR array list. I don't know how to use that because I'm kind of like banned, you know. If I wasn't banned, this would be so much better. Customization. Category sidebar. Right, if you have to toggle that, but puts it to the right. Open button. You can change the open button. So you can change it to like your grip, or you can change it back. I like it on that. This is your theme. This is cool. Me personally, I'm gonna leave it on. Me personally, I'm gonna leave it on that. Your font. I'm gonna keep on this one. Sound preset. You can change it from Wii to this. Button sound. I don't know what that does. Oh, like when you click this. Back to default. Open sound. I don't know how to use that. Custom background. Don't know how to do that. Rounded. It just rounds it on the outside. Outlined. That's all of that. And the title. Animated buttons. Nothing, I don't know. Gradient. Gradients and title. Yeah. Gradients and text. Shiny. Polished. Polished rotation. In world. Menu collisions. Zero gravity. Alright, that's it for your settings. On to global. Discord RPC. Auto clear cache. Anti-AFK. First person camera, which it should already be on. PC button click. Quit game, restart game, which I'm not going to click. Spawn hoverboard, which basically just spawns a hoverboard. All map hoverboard, it just does that. Goes to all maps. Fast hoverboard. basically. Oh. No, give me the hoverboard. Basically, it just makes you go super fast. Help me. Help me. And then slow hoverboard basically just makes it go slow. FPS changers. You can change your FPS. Camera gun. I must be in a room to use that. So I can't use that. Camera blind gun. So you blind people with your camera. Tablet gun. Can't do that. RGB monkey. I don't know. Strobe monkey. No. Change identity. Nope. Tall head monkeys. Yeah, just change the height of your head. Short head monkeys. Changes the height of your head again. Tall monkey. It changes others. Short monkey changes others. And big monkey also changes others. 2D monkey once again changes others. You can set it to day, evening, creepy, and night. I like it day, so it's less creepy. And then you have morning too. I like it day. Loud hand taps. Silent hand taps. Break audio gun. Doesn't work. Or break audio. Oh, my bad. Break audio gun. Loud microphone. It just changes how loud your microphone is. Mute microphone. Mute your microphone. Low quality microphone. Change your microphone quality. Very low pitch microphone. All of that stuff's basically the same thing. Max badge score. It just changes your badge, like the number badge. Bug gun. It just does something with Doug the Bug. But I think you have to be the last person to touch him. No, come here. Well, actually, I need actual Doug. Where's actual Doug? Hold up, give me a second. I have to go find Doug. Mr. Dougie. He's gonna teach me how to Dougie. Well, I can't get him for some reason. I can't grab Doug for some reason, so he doesn't like me, I guess. Bat gun. So it's just the Matt the Bat. Brings him here for some reason. And then Matt the Bat once again. Get out of here. Mute gun. It mutes somebody, whoever you put the gun on. Mute all. Mutes everybody in your lobby. Report gun. Reports whoever you point this at. Pointing at you. Reports you. Report all. Reports everybody. That's it for your global. Not a movement. You have PC movement, which you do by getting on your computer. It's like WASD and stuff. You have platforms. You have speed boost, which I personally love. And then you can change the speed. So you can go to extreme, which I also love, but it's like very detectable. You also have Moza if you go one more, which is a little less detectable. You have Fly, which is A. You have Fly, which is A, which is also my camera button, so I'm not going to use that again. You have Hand Fly. I assume it's also A again, which I can't click. Joystick Fly. You can go up and down with this joystick. You can go up and down with the joystick on this controller, and then you can move around using this one. And if you have Spin on, you can also spin. You have no clip, so if you click your triggers, you go into the ground. You have no clip Fly, which I am not going to do, because once again it's my camera button. So it's A. Velocity Fly, which is also my camera button. Basically just slingshots you. You have Low Gravity. It changes your gravity, so you could go faster, or not really faster. I don't think this helps with speed, I'm not gonna lie. It's just for fun. You have High Gravity, which actually does help, kind of, with speed, because it helps you not go up as high. You have Zero Gravity, which is just for fun, pretty much. Or if you just, like, suck at walls. You can just do that. Wall Walk. I have no clue if this works. I don't think which I presume to not work. I don't think it works, to be honest. If you set it to very strong. Yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah, it just doesn't work. So you have Dash, which is the A button, which is just the A button. It just moves you wherever you're looking, pretty much. Teleport Dash. It just teleports you. It doesn't do much. Teleport Gun. You hold grip, and wherever it shows you where you're gonna teleport to. So I could teleport all the way over here, or I could teleport back over here. Yeah. And then Telekinesis. I don't have another person in here, so I can't do that. Checkpoint. You set it like right there. So pretty much you just teleport. Pretty much teleport. That's pretty much all you do. You just teleport. Map teleporters teleport you to another map. Grappling hooks. It's just right grip for the guns, and then you can grapple hook anywhere. I hate that they added that wind barrier. If they didn't add the wind barrier, that would be so much better. You can just grappling hook up and then get launched straight back down. So yes, you can like grapple onto this, or if you want to get up here, you can do that. You have Spider-Man. So Spider-Man, you have to like you press grip and you like pull yourself up. Or you just let yourself like swing. if that's what you want to do. Ender Pearl. Just toss your Ender Pearl. You teleport. Pearl Trajectory. It tells you where it's going to end up at. Frozone. This is what it says. You become frozen. Up and down. So basically, this grip makes you go, this button makes you go up, and this button makes you go down. Left and right, the same thing. Forwards and backwards, once again, the same thing. Car monkey. It's like you're driving a car, so you just hold that up. You can pretty much steer using this. Using this one. Slide control. It's when you're on ice. You can like control yourself. Bouncy. You jump up, you bounce. But if you have your hands down, you can't bounce. No tag freeze makes it so that whenever you first get tagged, you can still run and you don't get stuck there. Force tag freeze makes it so that you can't. It's this. This is exactly what it is. Fast swim. This is for beach. It makes you swim fast. Oh, it doesn't make you swim fast. Fast swim. It just makes you swim fast. Solid water makes you walk on water. That's it for movement. Let's go into visuals. ESP type. Casual. I can't really use visuals, so I can't really do visuals. Safety. Anti-report. That's exactly what it is. Anti-report. Join random. So you're going to join a random whenever you get reported. Anti-report. Reconnect. You reconnect to the lobby. Anti-report Oculus. I have no clue what that does. Anti-report Snowball Fling. It just flings them from it. Visualize anti-report. It tells you whenever you get reported. Anti-ban. Stops you from getting banned. Anti-crash. Stops you from crashing your game. Join random makes you join a random code. So if I just click that, nothing's going to happen because I'm banned. Join Chqser. It does. It just makes you join the menus code. Join custom code. It just joins a random code that nobody else can join. Reconnect makes you reconnect to your last lobby. Disable network triggers. So basically, if you want to stay in one lobby, then while still going into another map, you can stay in one lobby while still going to another map if you disable those. So say you're in a forest lobby and you want to go into city, you just walk into city, and then it won't disconnect you from there. Disable map triggers. It won't load in. It won't load in the map that you want to go into, or the other map. Disable quick box. I have no clue what that does. First, you have long arms. You have very short, normal. It's basically just Steam long arms, pretty much. Long arms. Very long arms. It just makes you have very long arms, pretty much. Long arms, very long. That's it. That's it for that. Ghost monkey. Pretty much. This is pretty much all it does. You click your A button, it does that. Same thing for this. Same thing for this, you just go invisible. That's it. Grab rig, you hold your grip, you can grab your rig. If you hold grip, you can grab your rig. Smooth rig. I have no clue what this does, so. Rig gun. It basically just puts your rig wherever you have the gun at. And if you have to disable it. Head gun. Copy movement gun, it just makes you copy whoever you want's movement. Laggy rig, it makes your rig laggy. Makes you lag a lot. Yeah, that's pretty much all it is. But I already lag a lot, so it's not gonna mess with me. Follow player all. Follows every player. Follow player gun. It makes you do the T-pose and it like follows the player that you have the gun on. Orbit player makes you do the T-pose and then just orbits them. Orbit player gun makes you orbit whoever you want. Jump scare player gun all. Jump scare player all. That, I don't know what that does, to be honest. Jump scare player gun makes you jump scare someone. Stare at player all. It makes you stare at every player. Stare at player gun makes you stare at whoever you have the gun on. Stare at closest makes you stare at whoever's closest to you. Size changer, you can change your size. So if you click this trigger, you can go bigger. So I'm the size of Stump pretty much right now. I'm pretty much the size of Stump. Or I can shrink. And I can become like absolutely tiny. Hold on, I should probably not like do this. I should probably like do this right here. So yeah, you can go like tiny. And then once you disable it, you go back to your normal size. No finger movement makes it so you have like no finger movement whenever you click anything. But the buttons still work anyway. Backwards head makes you have a backwards head. Destroy head, I don't know what that does. Head spin makes your head spin. Spaz monkey. Spaz is your monkey. Sticky hands. I think this makes you stick onto stuff. Here, I can check. It makes you stick onto stuff more. So pretty much you stick on. Or it could be you stick on to slippery stuff. I don't know. It's one of the two. You either stick on the walls better or you stick on the slippery stuff better. Alright, on to players. I'm not in a room, so I can't do that. On the game mode, instant tag all, instant tag gun, tags somebody instantly. Instant tag all, tags everybody instantly. Tag gun, tag somebody. Tag all, tags everybody. Tag aura, whenever you get close to somebody, it tags them. Grip tag aura, whenever you click your grip, then you have the tag aura. Tag self, tags yourself. No tag on join, it makes it so whenever you join a thing, then you, when you join a new infection lobby, it makes it so that you aren't tagged. Always guardian makes you always guardian. Guardian gun makes whoever you point at guardian. Guardian all makes everybody guardian. Guardian self makes you guardian. Unguardian gun makes somebody who's already guardian not guardian anymore. Unguardian all, unguardian everybody. Unguardian self, unguardians yourself. Grab gun, it only works whenever you're it only works whenever you're big. Grab all, it only works when you're big. Release gun, it releases people who others are grabbing onto. Release all, a guardian. Release all releases everybody that's being grabbed onto. Fling gun flings anybody. Fling all flings everybody. Spaz player gun spazzes a player. Spaz all players. Spazzes every player. Bring gun. Bring gun brings the player to you. Bring all brings everybody to you. Bring all gun. I don't know what that does. It's pretty much the same thing. Fly gun makes people fly. Fly all makes everybody fly. Orbit all orbits everybody. Start game starts any game. End game ends the game. Restart game restarts the game. Kill gun kill all and kill self. Do exactly what they say. Kill gun kills people. Kill all kills everybody. And then kill self kills yourself. Respawn gun, you can respawn anybody. Respawn all respawns everybody. Respawn self makes you respawn. God mode gun, actually, God mode gun gives somebody God mode. God mode all gives everybody God mode. God mode self gives yourself God mode. Balloon spam gun spams everybody's balloon or spams somebody's balloon. Balloon spam all. Balloons and balloon spam all. Balloon spam all spams everybody's balloon. Balloon spam self spams your balloon. Break player gun breaks the player. Break all players breaks every player. Break self breaks yourself. Stun gun stuns them. Stun all players stuns everybody. Stun self stuns yourself. Hit player gun hits somebody. Hits whoever you have the gun pointed at. Hit all players hits everybody. Hit self hits yourself. Grace player gun, I don't know what that does. I don't know what any of the grace stuff does. Red team gun, I don't know what any of these do. I don't know what any of those do. Overpowered mods. Lag all doesn't really work. Lag gun. Lag all lags everybody in the lobby. Lag gun lags whoever you have the gun pointed at. Spike all lags them for like a second. Lags everybody in the lobby for a second. Spike gun lags a specific person for a second. Stutter all stutters everybody in the lobby. Stutter gun stutters whoever you have it pointed at. Freeze lobby, it freezes the lobby. Barrel fling gun, you have to have the whatever it is, fling gun, or you have to have the barrel thing from like a leprechaun update or something. I don't know. Barrel fling gun touch, you have to have the barrel gun thing, whatever it is. Destroy all destroys everybody. Destroy gun destroys one person. Lag server lags the entire server. Buffer buffers the entire server. Stutters the entire server. Free server, same thing as the original one. Crash on grab, so whenever you grab them, they crash. Kick on grab, whenever you grab them, it kicks them. Fling on grab, it flings them whenever you grab them. Obliterate on grab does the same thing as fling on grab. And then spy room, no clue what that does. Projectiles. Large snowball minigun. I don't know. Snowball spam. No clue. Snowball gun. I don't think any of these work for me since I'm banned. P doesn't work. Poop. Nope. Alright. On to fun mods. Snowball effect gun. Gives anybody the snowball effect. Snowball effect all. Gives everybody a snowball effect. Snowball effect aura. Get it, anybody here close to gives them snowball effect. The snowball effect on your head. Snowball effect on touch. It just gives whoever you touch the snowball effect. Snowball effect on your touch, or if they snowball effect on touch, if they touch you, they get the snowball effect. Small effect on your touch. If you touch somebody, they get it. Sound spammers. Yeah, same thing. It's just a sound spammer, which I'm not going to do. Give water splash gun. It doesn't work since I'm banned, but it gives a water splash effect. Give water splash gun. You can give it to anybody, and it just shows up on their hand. Schizophrenia player gun. Messes with people. Orbit water splash. Orbits the water splash. Water splash hands. I don't think it works since I'm banned. Spaz rope gun. You can use it on the ropes and it spazzes them. Spaz all ropes. You just click right trigger and it spazzes every rope. Glider blind. So you put the glider and then it like blinds them with the gliders. Glider blind all. Blinds everybody with the glider. Toggle basement door. Toggles the basement door. Basement door spam. Yeah, same thing. Toggle elevator door spam. Toggle elevator door. Just toggles the elevator door. Elevator door spam. Spams the elevator door. And then all of this is just there for that. It's there for that. Master. Save builder table data. It saves the builder table data. Load builder table data. Select block gun. Block fling gun. Low gravity. I can't do any of this because I'm in low gravity and gray zone. So whenever you start the gray zone event and you have that on, it makes it low gravity. Start gray zone event. It just starts the gray zone event. Stop gray zone event. Stops the gray zone event. Spam it makes it toggle on and off. Material gun changes their material. Material all changes everybody's material. Tag gun tags whoever you have pointed at. Tag all tags everybody. Untag gun tags or untags whoever you're looking at. Untag all untags everybody. Slow gun. This doesn't work, but it makes them slow. Slow all it makes everybody slow. Slow aura makes whoever's around you slow. Vibrate gun, it vibrates their controllers. Vibrate all vibrates everybody's controllers. Vibrate aura, whoever you walk up to, it'll vibrate their controller. Vibrate on touch, whoever touches you, their controller starts to vibrate. Vibrate when touch, or vibrate on touch. Whenever you touch somebody, it vibrates them. It vibrates their controllers. Vibrate when touched. When they touch you, their controllers vibrate. Alright. On to friends. That would have your friends list on it. And soundboard, it would have sounds on it, but currently I don't have any sounds on here. Disconnects you. Favorites, you can favorite things by using like grip and then clicking it. Here, actually, I'm gonna try. Whenever you click grip and then also click it, I think it favorites it. I don't know how to favorite things. Enable just shows the mods you have enabled. Disconnects you, and then that lets you search things up. So like da 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 da. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Since the Discord is actively down, I have my GitHub with it in the description.